let's do a 1-on-1 for a lion. Loser send winner a lion.
Tomorrow 12 o'clock.
During the day or during the night or during midnight?
Night. Me no come on 12 o'clock in the day. Tomorrow Sunday. When the ranking start over, me will play on 1-on-1. Or Monday. When the ranking start over.
So loser send a lion. Loser send a lion.
Yeah, first to 6.
First to 6?
Yeah.
We play Rose game then. We play Rose back then.
Big man go on here, man. You know them say big man a bullfrog. I come look at mascot. 6 game to a lion.
But Rosealee, you look nice tonight though, no joke.
When you come send one universe tomorrow, baby.
Who, me?
Lord God.
Rosealee, me attack to? Rosealee.
Alright.
Rosealee.
My pussy glad. Yeah,
Rosealee.
What? What?
Rosealee.
Why did you live with him to blood time? I have to left him. Come here and say, no, sir. Like once you go to me, babes, because you're 9, but the man a beat you. Where you want Damian? With the bomb buckle.
Guys catch his speed.
Guys catch his speed.
Them can't catch his speed.
You want one universe?
Clean.
Take a speed, you know?
You want one universe, Rosealee?
There one more art. One more art.
Rosealee.
Jesus.
Rosealee, dance girl, and show them you could break away.
Wow.
Why would you want to leave the match?
But we not catch it.
Yeah, we not catch
it. What? Don't worry, we don't have to catch it. You have me to back you up, my girl. Don't worry about speed.
Then you know if it's true.
Rosealee, and the match because you get the speed.
Rosealee,
and the match because you get the speed.
You have to catch me, can't beg for nothing. So if like you're rich and they're going already go on.
Yo, what's the precious heart?
I beg. Me have to catch you speed. You can't get the speed chat. Tell me
yo, Rudy, Avinash, Lisi, Farisa, Deborah, Keisha, Imran, Sandy, Auntie Shazis. Shazis, thank you again, bro. This Amrita, let me follow Amrita, boy. Me even follow Amrita. Amrita, where you from, girl?
You must say lion.
Amrita, where you from?
Better than for the Jamaican people, them. All them are nine still in a bud. You have to just work with him. Me better than them.
Follow him then.
And them have smoke.
Me follow him. Just follow him.
I'm gonna play with him most while.
Yeah, you Amrita. Let me follow this big man though.
Yeah, but him nice.
So you send lion?
Neutral. He may play with anybody. He may play with Tiki.
And the lion, Jayden the defend. Jayden no one know he want play. Jayden one with money.
Rosealee with Tiki, then me Sticky.
You mean Sticky?
Yeah. And Landu. Well, Landu.
Me Sticky no one man.
Guys, Roses, guys. But gonna saw Roses chat.
Yeah, you Amrita, where you from? How come we never follow you?
Jayden.
Huh?
You want to play with Tiki yet?
Farisa level up?
Tiki no one man.
Bro, the company was coming so much that I can't see.
But him now look you.
You don't give a fuck.
Let me see why.
So you play with Destiny.
Farisa level up in me life. Now with she like
You can't beg one wheel my niece.
Oh, Farisa level up 37.
Guys, everybody jump a rose and jump over.
Guys, everybody send a rose chat. Everybody send a rose, my team. Everybody send a rose chat. Everybody in the chat send a rose, please.
Drop and jump.
Come on, guys. Everybody send a
yeah,
rose.
something like that.
Drop
everybody send a rose.
Look, she with your attitude now.
Yes.
Farisa, congratulations.
Drop your jump. I just drop your jump.
There's a level 38 just swiping here. Pick up yourself.
I just drop your jump.
Guys, I'm using double. My full score no for a film.
My pussy got turnover. Banana gloves.
Where go, girl?
How much people have the Jayden?
You have 1,400 that somebody over here so we can't get blood clot speed.
Ross.
Wait, only speed I play for catch?
Yeah.
Moss. No, sir.
Then when I catch a speed, I'll get one gift. You hungry, you know?
Be hungry, man?
That's why I'm not for after this, I got left for no blood clot. I'm not playing no more 4 years. What's this chart?
That's weird, yeah. Rosealee 1-on-1, me and you.
No, I can't let my best to them.
Well,
Yo, moderator.
what's this chat?
Waldo wa Godi. Waldo beating Godi. I mean, I know Wald dog beatings.
Sure,
Wald dog beatings. You think Rosealee could win
So
me?
what time is it in Guyana now?
It is 11:23 p.m.
So, do you ever eat pum pum?
For me?
Yes.
Bro, I just push me tongue right up. I just make me tongue touch the heart, touch the core. Bro, you ever push your tongue in a place that you could feel the prostate with your tongue?
Huh?
You ever feel prostate with your tongue?
What prostate in a bottom?
Hey, so... No.
Corgi!
Rose.
I dance my dance to Cargi idiot boy. You foolie.
Me can't Rose all up on them. What kind of thing?
I'm Cargi. Me not like him go like him not a sense, you know.
Like this how much I come at me now catch no speed over here so.
How am I do so, Rosealee?
Don't do the Cargi dance, him don't like it.
Yeah, but the people sending me the corgi to do the corgi. Where you what, sir? I guess if me do corgi in front of he go push back and do corgi too. I push back him or I push back.
Him see my big lion.
Oh my God.
Come back.
No, yeah, beg ya.
Corgi!
Guys, because so Rose is my team.
My brain.
My youth, come, man. Come, my youth, come. Come and teach you how to rock from TikTok, come.
My big lion.
Come.
Yeah, beg ya lion, the father.
You see me when people say...
Watch I didn't send him one more.
Corgi!
Feel like so why me feel like a Jamaicans over there sending Cargi? Why me feel so?
And them over there do them fucking in triple.
Why me feel say how uno go send Cargi?
My friend, when people send you corgi, what do you do?
Dance Cargi.
How do you dance corgi?
Send him one. Jayden one Cargi, make him dance Cargi.
Send one, let me see. Let me see if I that go.
Nah.
Watch. Somebody just send me one. Watch. So, Jordan,
So
come
can
and show
send me
you.
one when me do Cargi dance too. You know want me Cargi, me want Cargi too. Make me Cargi to your chat.
Guys, power taps.
We're gonna saw roses.
One rose is there.
Whoa! Let me then I show now.
So Jordan,
Huh?
Jordan, you have a taste of prostate before?
What?
You have a taste prostate before?
What about Rosealee?
Yeah, you ever give a woman rim job before?
What that mean?
Rosealee, you need to teach him. Rosealee, you need to teach
I don't
him.
do those things in the arm, Damian. I like with a doctor where you don't tell him what you're talking about.
No, Rosealee, you played there?
He's a
You play-
doctor.
Rosealee,
Yeah,
you play
man,
mad for
doctor.
sense.
Ah,
Rosealee playing mad for sense.
My doctor.
No, but him, no, I never eat bottom. I never go that way.
You eat pom pom?
Eh?
You eat pom pom?
Hold on, let me check that. Hold on.
You eat pom pom?
Orion, bigger something, Orion.
I eat pum pum.
Orion, bigger something, Orion, please.
I Joke, I mean, I joke with people. Joke, I'm joking.
Orion, come here.
Ada sa ina mo siya ganong gyalaw ba? Pika inait. Ikalaan for suck my youth.
Good evening at the floral frock.
Boss lady, thank you guys. Push up the score they do.
Guess we got snipe this, right?
Jayden and the gloves.
Chat, we not on gloves. Chat, we not on gloves. So when last you eat pum pum?
Every night.
And you eat bottom too?
No. What I like to do, you know, when you eat pom pom, you take your nose and you eat it backward, so your nose could
Use the
smell
gloves,
the gal beaty.
Use the gloves, chat. Come on, guys. We're gonna stomp on the gloves.
You understand?
We're gonna something.
Guys, what time we gonna want snipe?
Come on, not chat. Push up the score,
We're
man.
gonna want snipe chat.
Come on, chat. Push up
The
the
miss
score.
got done before the sniping,
We're gonna want
guys.
snipe.
Come on, guys. Push up the score. Push up the score.
Gloves, yeah.
Gloves,
Guys,
Use the gloves, chat. Shoot me team.
Gloves,
Shoot,
gloves,
chat.
gloves.
Shoot pon the gloves, guys.
Alright, this is easy to
Shoot
get.
pon
This
the
is easy to
gloves,
get.
guys. Boss lady, shoot. Rotted cup.
Bumbo clot.
Lissy,
Angel eyes, thank you.
Lissy, calm down, man. I've been more game for play, buddy.
Ivor, thank you. Boss lady.
Lissy, you drink a wrong thing today.
Why Triple we get fuck?
Lissy, drink something wrong today. Avinash, pick up yourself, bro. Lissy, boss lady.
Guys, thank
From
you
over.
so much.
Auntie Deborah, Curry lover, Auntie Sirojini. Auntie Naomi, Auntie Sirojini, please come and see what Lissy a drink for me. Amrita, thank you so much again. Welcome to my live, Amrita. You are so welcome. Hey. Keisha, thank you.
Thank you.
Why am I
Thank
just
you.
twice to get one gloves and it disappear? Oh, boss lady. Boss lady, I get gloves.
Coffee, you should drink.
Thank you.
I want Jordan for being my partner. I'm going to teach him how to battle.
No, who?
I'm going to teach you how to battle. Come my miss.
Sending people them call shoot for you, find people them heavy.
Come, I'm going to send him for give you a core game. I'm going to show you how to shake your ass.
No. Rose, we go to Rose. See if I
Power Tops chat.
Oh my God.
What up, chat? Nobody want to shake your ass.
Lissy, thank you again. MVP Lissy, Avinash, and Auntie Deborah. Keisha, thank you again. Sandy, thank you again. Auntie Sirojini, thank you. Corey Lover, thank you. Amrita, everybody that is here. Oh my God, I really love you guys. Like, I gotta stop battle during the week and come weekend. Only weekend, I see everybody here.
Yeah, doctor for True Damian.
Yeah, prostate doctor, I'm gonna tell you already. I want to look after Jordan prostate.
Yeah, come back over here, swear to God.
Me worse. Man, tell her if you make me a play, but no, you want to go over roads.